Hello, Dr. Furtado. This is Dario. I'm going to demonstrate to you coordination test, heel to slide. I would typically do this test in a supine position, but we're going to do a long sitting position today for the video purposes, for time. So I'm going to ask, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a grading scale 0 to 4, 0 being unable to perform, 1 being observing severe impairments, 2 moderate impairments, 3 minimal impairments, and 4 would be considered a normal response, normal results. So Andrea, with your right heel, can you slide your heel down your left shin up and down, please? Do that a couple of times for me. Good. And going to the opposite side, please. Your left heel over your right shin. Great. Do that a couple of times. I am observing to make sure that heel contacts that shin and slides precisely up and down that shin. I'm observing for any compensation that she might do. I am also going to observe to see how long it takes her to do that. How many verbal cues are required to complete the test. In addition to my grading scale, I will document what I observed. So in case another therapist comes in and attempts to do the test, they are aware of why I gave the patient the score that I did. So the next part of the video, I'm going to demonstrate to you the Balanced-Berg test, parts 8, 9, and 10. We'll start with 8, the reaching test, the reaching portion. So what I did is I put a measuring tape, and I'm going to have my patient, Andrea, place your fingers at the edge of the tape. Her shoulder should be about approximately 90 degrees. I'm going to have her reach as far as she can. Reach as far as you can, Andrea. So she's about 14 and a half. Good, thank you. 14 and a half, she's going to get 4 points for that test. Anything over 10 inches is given 4 points. 5 to 10 inches is given 3 points. 2 to 5 inches is given 2 points. And if she's able just to reach but requires supervision, she's going to get 1 point. She's not going to get any points if she's unable to perform the test and requires supervision or assistance to maintain her balance. The second part, part 9 of the Balanced-Berg, is picking up an object off the floor. So we use this bell pepper here. Andrea, can you please pick that up off the floor, please? That is going to, I'm going to give that 4 points because she was able to do that without any issues. I would give her 3 points if she was able to pick up the object but required supervision. I would give her 2 points if she was able to pick up the object, but if she actually had to reach 1 to 2 inches to pick it up. She would get 1 point if she is unable to pick up the object and requires supervision for balance. And I would give her 0 points if she's unable to perform the test and requires supervision or assistance just to maintain her balance. Test number 10 of the Berg balance is going to be the looking over the shoulder portion of the test. So I'm going to have my patient, Andrea, can you please look over your left shoulder behind you? Good. Can you look over your right shoulder behind you? Thank you. So she's going to get 4 points on that test. She did not lose her balance. I would give her 3 points if she, 4 points. I'm making sure that she's able to shift her weight bilaterally when she makes the turns. She would get 3 points if she does not complete the weight shift to one side or the other. She would get 3 points for that. I would give her 2 points if she requires supervision. Oh no, I take that back. I would give her 2 points if instead of turning her head, she actually turns to look but does not lose her balance. I would give her 1 point if she turns to look but requires supervision. And I would give her 0 points if she's unable to perform the test and if she is losing her balance. So those are the 3 parts for the Balanced-Berg test. And that is it. Thank you very much.